Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can make your Motorola ThinkPhone louder. So we start from the opening the settings, then go to the sound and vibration and look for the Dolby Atmos. Now just tap on it, go to the settings and now choose the loudest equalizer and keep it selected. You can also go to the custom, edit it and slide all of these sliders to the app. And that's it. But there we have also a second way. If that method is not enough for you, just go to the Play Store and download this app. Then install it, of course, and click no thank you 3 times. Close the window and tap OK. Then you can choose the volume booster power by this little slider. If you want to turn off this feature, just tap on the stop service and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.